We are seeing gusty winds across the entire state on this weather alert day. You can see the flags whipping in Meredith and in Berlin. That wind could cause downed tree limbs, and that leads to power outages. Thanks so much for joining us this noon. I'm Jean Mackin. You can see that the crews have been out busy cleaning up from this weekend storm. Kevin, a live look here at the Seacoast from our camera at the Portsmouth Chevy at the traffic circle. We do have close to 2,000 power outages around the state right now, the highest we've seen so far today. And in some spots, that's because of things like this. This is a tree pulling down wires and closing Homestead Road in Alstead. And Kevin, this wind expected to last all day long?
Yeah, and I think we have relative gusts to this going into tonight and tomorrow as well. Not uncommon to have wind behind a storm system. It is a bit uncommon to have them to this length, with winds gusting over 50 to 55 miles an hour. What you're seeing there in the middle are the sustained winds, which are knocking back the wind chills. More on that in a moment. There's your high wind warning for the southern half of the state and the wind advisory posted for northern areas. This goes into this evening, and again, we will likely have gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour going into the daylight hours tomorrow. So again, on any day you have winds gusting over 50 miles an hour, there is the potential for outages. You notice again the current temperatures out there right now, and those winds, which are currently gusting over 40 to 45 miles an hour. This is a run up to likely the highest gusts going into the afternoon. For more on that, we want to head over to meteorologist Matt Honig.
Yeah, and Kevin, these winds look to stay very active, not just for the rest of today, but even through the next couple of days. Tuesday as well is going to feature some gusty winds. Here's what to expect later on this afternoon. Still looking at gusts anywhere between about 45 and 55 miles per hour. Still quite breezy overnight. And then through tomorrow, now you see the winds on Tuesday already cranking up again tomorrow morning in some spots close to 40. Probably shouldn't be quite as strong tomorrow, but still a very blustery day on tap. And it's not just the wind, it's also the cold weather that we have. Actual temperatures right now sitting in the teens and 20s for many, but when you factor in the wind, it feels like it's just barely above zero in many spots. Eventually these wind chills slide back below zero later on this afternoon and tonight. So if you're still waiting to tackle the driveway, get some shoveling done, definitely want to take frequent breaks. This is the numbers to dress for through the rest of today, and certainly just a bitter cold start tomorrow morning, even for the kids at the bus stop. But as we get ready for work and school on Tuesday, sub-zero wind chills statewide doesn't really improve all that much tomorrow, as the actual air temperatures will likely end up even a few degrees colder than what we see out there today.